Vakilsearch.com. Legal is now simple. In this video, we are going to focus on Memorandum of Understanding, a detailed insight. An MOU is often the first stage in the formation of a formal contract. It lays down the terms and conditions that the parties agree to with regard to common action or business. An MOU is far more formal than a handshake. It is given importance in a court of law if one party fails to meet the obligations of the memorandum. To be legally operated, a memorandum of understanding must have the following thing: identifying the contracting parties, spelling out the subject matter of the agreement and its objectives, summarizing the essential terms of the agreement. It must be signed by the contracting parties. We at Vakil Search have a few simple steps for getting an MOU. Step 1. Our expert lawyers will get in touch with you to understand your requirement in detail. Step 2. Basic information would be required from your end to commence the process. Step 3. Once all the information is provided and the payment is received, our lawyers will start working on your document immediately. Step 4. You will receive the first draft of your watertight legal document within 4 days approximately. Step 5. You can review the document and get back to our team in case of any changes. Our experts will work with you till the draft is finalized to your complete satisfaction. We also provide additional advantages in Vakil Search, like the entire process is online and no physical presence is required. Once the document is drafted, we also assist in legal queries related to MOU. The documents and the details provided to us will be kept confidential. Regular updates will be sent via email to the customers till the process ends. Our professional charges for drafting an MOU will be Rs 2,799 plus service tax. The charges may vary in case of customized MOU. Lastly, the big question of why Vakil Search? It's because we have pioneers in legal document preparation, a large team of 200 plus experts, 70% cheaper than any comparable lawyer in your city, one-point service solution for lawyer, chartered accountant and corporate secretary. All documents are prepared promptly. We meet strict deadlines. Quality is our top priority. And of course, our 1,20,000 happy partners and clients speak for us. Just to name a few: Taxi for Sure, CII, Housing.com, the list goes on and on. Thank you.